also can be resolved.
Habapin Shai halor gajingkam jung Vice Chancellor ka School ba North Eastern Hill University ne hu Uprabha Shankar Shukla ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association kalaong baki college hapo ka jala kim pat Shim la ya gajing minjur ban Pyntreikam ya ka National Education Policy 8000 arpho lani ka NEP 8000 arpho ka President ka MCTA Dr. Mrs. BH Biam ilong hinin ka sngi ba om padan kanu gajing Shim rai ban Pyntreikam ya ka NEP 8000 arpho ha gajing yalang jong ka Academic Council jong ka school ba ke MCTA kala batha yo Vice Chancellor ka nehu ban pinshisha ba ya ka rai ban Pyntreikam ya ka NEP 8000 arpho la Shim ha gajing yalang jong ka Academic Council jong ka ni ka school ba I Dr. Biam ilapan pauru ya ka jing sngo khia halor ka jing wan ra ya ka NEP 8000 arpho ka bakat kum ka jing sngo jong I kalong ka bakin san bar baklem jing khmi lenti.
Now this notification, it has created a lot of chaos. Because, let me also inform you that the colleges, quite a number of them, they have started their new session with the under the old program. Now, the Academic Council, as an apex body, it has been through the years established itself as an esteemed body when it comes to the academic matters concerning higher education. It is our duty that we should communicate to the teaching fraternity, as I said, to the parents, to the students who are also stakeholders, and to the general public.